Welcome to the AI-powered Graphic Design Master Program. This 3-track creative program integrates AI to help you become a complete digital creative professional. Why learn graphic design now? The demand for visual content is high in digital India, fueled by the social media boom, e-commerce growth, and OTT platforms. The curriculum roadmap includes 3 specialized tracks. Track 1 focuses on graphic design, Track 2 on video and motion graphics, and Track 3 on animation and 3D design. The program spans 9 to 12 months with over 300 training hours, culminating in 7 major projects. It is structured in 4 phases: Foundation, Specialization, AI Mastery, and Capstone. Track 1, Graphic Design Professional, provides mastery over visual identity, print production, and digital layouts. You will gain proficiency in Adobe tools and generative AI suites over 24 weeks. Track 2 focuses on video and motion graphics, turning you into a motion specialist. You will master visual storytelling, compositing, and production audio using Premiere Pro and After Effects, plus AI tools like Runway ML. Track 3 makes you a motion and 3D specialist. This covers kinetic storytelling, 3D production, modeling, and visualization, utilizing Adobe Animate and Autodesk 3ds Max or Maya. The 44-week roadmap shows your progression from design foundations and software basics to advanced AI workflows, portfolio building, and client communication. The technology stack covers 12+ industry-standard tools across 4 domains: design and branding, video and motion, animation and 3D, and AI and automation, ensuring professional workflow mastery. The Design Foundation Deep Dive covers CorelDRAW for vector and print layouts, and Adobe Photoshop for imaging and digital compositing. You'll work on practical projects like stationery and movie poster compositions. You will gain vector and publishing mastery with Adobe Illustrator for logos and vector illustration, and Adobe InDesign for layouts and digital publishing. This includes working on brand logo suites and magazine spreads. The Video and Motion Deep Dive focuses on Adobe Premiere Pro for professional video editing and Adobe After Effects for motion graphics and VFX. The combined duration offers over 70 hours of training. In the Animation and 3D Production Deep Dive, you'll learn 2D vector animation with Adobe Animate and 3D modeling and visualization with 3ds Max or Maya. Master the generative AI suite, including Midjourney, DALL-E 3, Adobe Firefly, and Runway. Learn prompt engineering, ethical design, and multi-tool chaining for next-generation creativity. Track 1 Foundation establishes your career with core design principles, color theory, and grid systems. Projects include logo recreation and poster redesign. Track 1 focuses on building practical skills, including brand identity kits, packaging design, and magazine layouts. Project work includes a full brand identity system and an AI-powered campaign. Track 2 covers video editing foundation, including sound design and color correction. Core skills focus on motion graphics like kinetic typography and logo animation, culminating in a 30-second commercial ad. Track 3 starts with 2D animation using Adobe Animate, moves into 3D modeling with 3ds Max/Maya, and integrates AI for storyboarding and texture creation. The final project is a promotional video. The program includes 7 major portfolio projects. This includes a complete brand identity system, a 30-second commercial ad, and a 3D product render. The capstone is an integrated creative campaign. The Track 1 portfolio showcases expertise in brand identity, packaging, print design, and editorial layouts, proving mastery of Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, and CorelDRAW. The Track 2 portfolio highlights skills in commercial ads, motion graphics toolkits, social video, and VFX compositing, using Premiere Pro, After Effects, and AI video tools like Runway. The Track 3 portfolio features 2D animation, photorealistic 3D product visualization, architectural visualization, and game asset creation using Adobe Animate, 3ds Max, and Maya. By the end of the program, you will have mastered graphic design, video, motion graphics, 2D/3D animation, and AI-powered design acceleration, positioning you as a full-stack digital designer. Career opportunities are high in demand. You can pursue roles such as graphic designer, video editor, 2D/3D animator, or AI creative specialist with competitive salaries in diverse industries. Start your journey today with a simple enrollment process. Call or visit the website for counseling and secure your spot in this limited seat program. Hybrid mode is available.